Don Moody here, Handyman Reality. This is a Weiser lock, and you'll notice you see the little slot for changing the key by yourself. What I've been learning is that these locks, especially the handles actually, have a little issue that pops up, and sometimes you can't get in your house or get out. And it's because of a simple part. You don't actually need to buy a whole new handle. You see when I press that button, how it sticks out a little bit? Well, that's with locking people in their houses. Now, I'll skip explaining the whole part sort of thing, and I'll just get straight to the solution. This type of a handle that has a latch, no key, that can actually use an interior type of latch. You'll see that there's no extra pin here like on an exterior one. An exterior one has this extra pin, and that's so that when that pin is being held in by this plate, the latch won't slide back. It's a locking mechanism. It's to make sure the credit cards and stuff can't get by. So you would need this if there was a key on this handle. If there's no key on that handle, then you use this. Because this isn't being used as the lock. So give me a moment and I will, actually I'll just show you right on here. When you take the lock apart, you'll find the rod here is a curved rod, and what happens is on each edge of the metal, specifically on the edge that it's turning to make it retract, it wears down, and then this doesn't go all the way in. So if you leave it too long, you'll get locked in your place. But otherwise, Home Depot Canada doesn't sell these. They're one of these. So I find myself going to Rona to get this. Windsor Plywood also sometimes supplies them. So this has been Don Moody of Handyman Reality of Edmonton, Alberta. Bye-bye now.